Hello guys, hello everyone, I am happy to see you. That's the animation I recreated, so you can see the Mike's animation and my own animation, I just recreated it. And today we will make a breakdown how to remake this animation, and the project file I already left in my Discord, so you can download it, it's absolutely for free. So guys, let's dive into our animation. And guys, before to start this video, I just wanted to say that this video is sponsored by me and I made my own digital product, I made course, so you can buy it if you want to make and learn faster. So I just will put my link below. There you can see a lot of different breakdowns and I will make much more different contents inside this course, so you will be able to see much more in the near future and the price will be higher, so now is the best time to buy it. And guys, let's turn back to our animation. So guys, we are already in the After Effects and here's my composition, what I've created before. And guys, by the way, this video will be divided into the two parts, I guess, and the second part will be uploaded today, so you're, I guess, already able to see it after this one. And guys, this animation is really complicated and here a lot of different small like things, and I hope I will be able to express my thoughts to you because I'm not native speaker, but anyway I will leave the project file and you will be able to check it. You can see it in my Discord server, yeah, so you can check it over there. And guys, let's begin. We will create one more composition. So guys, in this composition I will just show you some things what and how you can create, because I'm not going to create it from scratch because there are a lot of different small stuffs, and to create it one more time it will take a lot of time, yeah, I need to spend a lot of time for it. So we will start from the beginning. We need to recreate this letter, yeah. So to make it we just have here like 3 different layers. So this is the layer number 1, this like an arrow, yeah, and this is layer number 2 and number 3, blue and green. I don't know, I decided to name it both, I don't know. Anyway, let's start from creating an arrow. So guys, to make it easier, for example, I regularly use it in the way like this. So you can just paste your animation what you want to recreate, yeah. So if you're trying to make something or recreating, so you can just reduce the opacity, or this is the way you can paste your different images and recreate them from scratch, different logos, yes, and different other stuff. So that's the way how I use it. And from this point we're going to make it in the way like this. So guys, as I said, it will not be perfect. I'm making it rough and I just want you to show the main principles. For example, it will be like this. As you can see, it's not perfect at all, but anyway, my target, just make sure you are able to recreate it by yourself. So guys, as you can see, I already created the mask number 1 and we need to find the effect controls. And here guys, we're going to find generate, and this is our fill. This is our fill number 1, so let's find here effects, fill, and here let's click on this plus, so we have something like this, yeah. And guys, the same way we are going to use our pen tool here and use it in the way like this. For this we are going to use the same fill, but let's find the yellow color, yeah, and that's cool. Let's open fill number 2, the same, but use the mask number 2. So pretty easy, and this is the way how you can create an arrow. So guys, to animate this arrow, we are going to set the keyframe position, yeah, for it. We will make it in this way. We will set it somewhere here, yeah. So guys, we will also use the scaling and a bit rotation, but we will make it a bit later. So guys, let's begin. We will move it somewhere here, and we want to make these keyframes like, let's find the keyframe interpolation, and here let's find the bezier. So, and we will make it in this way. The same here, bezier. So guys, you can make it in this way. Also you can make like some additional keyframes for it, so that's up to you how you want to animate it. And guys, as you can see, our arrow follows the path, so it's rotating here, and we don't need to rotate the whole this way by rotation, using the keyframes for the every frame we have. So guys, for it we just need to find the transform, so layer, transform, and here we need to find after orient, and here we just need to click on this orient along path. So it will go in this way, but it's not perfect and we need to adjust it a bit. So let's find the rotation and let's make it in this way. So yeah, it goes like this, pretty cool. And guys, as I said, we will make some different keyframes for our rotation. Let's make the scale something like this, yeah. And also guys, we are going to add echo effect for it. Guys, once you found this effect, we just need to apply it, and here we will make it in this way, like something like this, I guess, minus 0.00006, yeah. So this is the way how we can make it like this, and this keyframe is too early, I guess we need to set it somewhere here. Also, we can use the easy ease keyframes, but the problem with easy ease keyframe, that's we have some problems in this point, yeah, but I think it looks pretty cool. Let's open my composition with this arrow and I will just show how I made this. So we have here like also easy ease. If we will open this speed graph, yeah, you can see it, it looks like this, and this is the way how I use it. So you can copy it, you can download this project file and find it. We will leave it like this. And guys, here I want to like add some rotation for it. So let's make it something like this, like this. I don't know. It shouldn't be perfect in my version, yeah, but you can make it much more better. There are a lot of rotations, I guess. So guys, it looks like this. Yeah, pretty cool. And let's add some number of echoes because we forgot to make it. So let's be something about 7, and we will use a number of echoes keyframe here, and we will decrease it here, because as you can see, if we will increase like number of echoes and not decrease it, then we have the problem it changing our color, yeah. So we will make it like this to avoid it. Also guys, highly recommend you to use this button to make your animation blurred in motion, yeah. So guys, it looks like this. It's fine. And now we need to make this pose, yeah, green and blue. So but before guys, highly recommend you to use layer styles, and here we will add bevel and emboss, so it will like looks much more better as for me. Also, let's decrease the shadow here about 21 maybe. And guys, the same way we are using our pen tool and creating this pose. After guys you made it like this, you need to adjust your color. This one will be a blue one, and to appear them, we're going to find the path, and we will leave it in this way like this. Here guys, we are going to select these points over here, and we will set it somewhere here. So we will hide it a bit. I guess it will be appear too fast, so we will appear from the point our arrow is coming, yeah, and we will also drag it to the bottom, yeah, below our arrow. And guys, also highly recommend you to name your shape layers, because as you can see, for example, I named, I guess, all my shape layers, yeah, because in composition like this and even like complicated, it's a bit harder to find something. If you need to find something, you can face some problems with that. The same here guys, we are going to add layer styles, bevel and emboss. So okay, And guys, from this point we will appear it, so like this. Our arrow comes, and here we are appearing our shape. We can also duplicate it, guys, and we can transform it as well, flip it horizontal and use another color, so the green one. Yeah, we can also adjust it to the place we need. So guys, we have something like that. Yeah, it comes, and it's not perfect, as I said, we see it. But anyway, now we are going to create this rectangle, a rounded one, and make it in this way, something like this. So just recreate the white rectangle. After you recreated it, just use the scale, set it to 0, also drag it to the bottom, and from this point we are going to somewhere here, I guess we will set it to like 105, and no, it's too much. I want to make it less, something like this, and also need to correct the... So guys, it will be like this. As you see, as our animation like our arrow isn't perfect, we have this like problem, yeah, because it's not appropriate with our sides, this one and this one. But anyway, you will adjust it, so you will appear your rectangle. I decided to make it in the way like we are scaling to the 101, yeah, and decrease it then to 95%, so it looks like this. And you can also make this keyframe easy east, and it will be pretty cool. And guys, from this point we are going to make fake white shape layers, something like this. So here's the thing, if we open our composition, we can see that we have separate shape layers, yeah. So we have like a rectangle, yeah, we created the white rectangle because we need to appear it like this, and then we have separate white shapes. So that's why we need to recreate the same, and we are going to make it in the way like this, just make it fast in my case. So guys, that's how we will make it. Set it to the back, and this one we will remove. So this one we removed, and this one we will appear from this point, yeah, and we will have two separate layers. The same guys here, just make the same white color shape layer, and then just set it somewhere here and get rid of this part. So we cannot see like this transition, yeah, almost, but when it will be like the full animation, it will be not able to see anything. I guess this is because we have this keyframe close, but I'm not sure. In a way, maybe it's fine. So we appeared this animation, yeah. So guys, we have done this part, and that's already cool. The other part of our animation, we need to create this opening top part, yeah. And to make it, we are going to use the 3D layer, but before to make it, we need to find this one shape and our arrow. So we have selected this one, and let's find our arrow. Yeah, this is the shape layer number 1. Let's pre-compose both of them, and then of course we will name it. And guys, now we are going to adjust the anchor point, set it to the top, and here we are going to make 3D layer. Use the keyframe for your X rotation and make it in this way. So guys, you will open it in this way. That's how I made it over here. Also guys, if we open the original version, we can see like we have here this stroke, yeah. So I realized that this stroke was added to make also this cool effect, so we can see it over here. I like it so much as well. Yeah, we can see the strokes. And guys, as you understand this, the perfect things in small details, yeah. So that's why I decided to make exactly the same. So I have something like this. Also guys, we need to recreate the rectangle. Here, as you can see, we have a black rectangle, and we can recreate it really easy. We just need to find our white rectangle, what we already removed. We will duplicate it. At this point, we don't need any scale keyframes. We will just set it over here. Let's continue it. Probably we can adjust the path of it. So rectangle, rectangle path, and here guys convert to Bezier path. So you will be able to like adjust these points over here where you need it. Yeah. So, and guys, here we are going just to make it black, just the black, and here we need also apply inner glow. Yeah. Guys, once you applied inner glow, we need to find it, and we will adjust it just a little bit. We just need to find the white color, and we already have this effect yet, this styled, but also we want to just a little bit increase the size of it, so probably it will be enough. I don't know, you will make it maybe even better. So let it be about 12. But guys, as you can see, we have here one problem that we need to fix. We need to reorder our shape layers, set it to the background. And guys, how to recreate these strokes? To recreate these strokes, you can just draw these strokes one more time. So that's how I made them. Yeah, I just recreated this shape with the pen tool, but in this time I like made it without the fill. I just made it with the stroke. So we can see here the fill. Yeah, you just need to use the pen tool and make it in this way, like this. So guys, to make it, you just need to get rid of fill and find the stroke, use about 3 pixels, maybe more. You will adjust it later, make it in this way, and then you will be able to add here additional strokes. Yeah, so set it to 4, something like this, and I cannot see anything, I don't know why. Yeah, now we can see it. So guys, this is the way how you can remake these strokes over here. We will now get rid of it, and we will just see one more time what we already created. So guys, our arrow that goes, that's opening, yeah, and from this point we will make the part number 2, and I will continue it right now. So guys, I will see you in another part.